Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO Nindijanakaz is how we say it in the language. And welcome to our show. Live streaming it on this beautiful, Friday? Friday the 14th. Oh, I'm glad it's not Friday the 13th, because then that's like bad luck. Thought I better say a little prayer before we start the show today. I got a little prayer. I gotta speak to the man upstairs. BOOZHOO, get Chimonado. Hello, Great Spirit. Miigwech kaiji kakina keku. Gaiji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji gishikok. Thank you for this day. Miigwech kaiji bamaraziyan. And thank you for my life. Ape enge. Amen. You know what? I'm gonna offer him a little tobacco for my prayer. A little asema. Otapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Just sprinkle it there. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO b'nei shiag. Hello, birds. What's good? All right, I'm going back. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. Where are you? Oh, I'm outside. I just said a prayer. Oh, cool. You want to come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. And that's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. No. Yeah, there he is. Oh, hey. How you doing? I'm doing great. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha. And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention the lovely and the talented Emily Aubrey. Hi y'all. Welcome to the show. The whole gang's here. Oh, it's so good to be with the family once again. All right, let's play some music. What we got here? Oh, you know what? Yeah, the heck with it. This first song has got Michael and Emily. Catch a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service, well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I'm not sleeping, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues come following down. Loving is a gamble, baby, loving's much the same. Wherever I have played, wherever I've thrown them dice, wherever I have played, the blues have run the game. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and very talented Emily Aubrey.
Thank you kindly.
Miigwech.
That was a good song.
Take two. Take
Take
two.
two. Take two.
Loving you isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel? If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. Open up, everything's waiting for you.
You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another lonely day. Another lonely day. You can go your own way. Go your own way.
Tell me why everything turned around. Packing up, shacking up's all you wanna do. If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. How can I, when you won't take it from me?
You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another lonely day. Another lonely day. You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another lonely day. Another lonely day.
BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the
A podcast about Ojibwe language
and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Natasha. And
BOOZHOO!
over there we have NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
Now, before we get started, let's do another song. How about
Okay, I'm going to try this, and I guarantee I'm going to screw it up.
Oh, I love this song. Landslide. I guess Fleetwood Mac is sort of the theme.
I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down.
Oh,
Mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the seasons of my life? I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you.
oh, me?
But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. Climb the mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring us down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring us down, down. The landslide will bring us down, down. Oh, landslide will bring us down.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And we'd like to invite you to join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today, I'd say
Candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons, and new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you, and of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain skate. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain. Baby,
God knows I've got my
own
own
escape.
Nij 2. This song is by the late great Jim Croce. Oh, Operator, Can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, a guy that she said she knew once but almost hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Now let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can't read the number that you just gave me. Something in my eyes, you know it happens every time. I think about the love that I thought would save me. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Now let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. Operator, let's forget about this call. There's no one there I really needed to talk to. Thank you for your time. You've been so much more than kind. You keep the dime. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Now let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no.
Oh, that was good.
And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And up next, what's it gonna be, boy? What's it gonna be, boy? Yes or no? Take two. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there.
Where?
There is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him?
Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him?
If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong right here. Tonight's the night when I go to all the parties down my street. I wash my hair and I kid myself, I look real smooth. Look over there, there is Jeannie with her new boyfriend. They say looks don't come from much, well so there goes your proof. Is she really going out with him?
Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him?
If my eyes don't deceive me,
Something's going wrong around here.
around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. All right. That was cool. Oh, na, na, na. Ooh, la, 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 la. I search your profile for a translation. I study the conversation like a map. And I know there is strength in the differences between us. I know there is comfort where we overlap. Come here, stand in front of the light. Stand still so I can see your silhouette. I hope that you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you, no, 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 I'm not done looking. Yeah. Ooh, na 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 na, baby. I'm not done looking at you, no, I'm not done looking. Anita Franco.
Oh,
Not done looking yet.
you guys, that was awesome. Hey, thanks, man. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha and the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Wow. So, what else is going on today, sweetie?
Well, you gotta teach you a Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot. I got carried away by the music. Today is a Ojibwe word. First of all, Michael, can I show one of your gibberish cartoons? Yeah, sure. If you're new to this show, Michael Lyons. This show actually got started because Michael was drawing Ojibwe language comic strips and sharing them on Facebook, right? Yep. And, well, why don't you tell it? Well, people kept writing in how to pronounce the Ojibwe words. And so that's kind of why I thought we should start a show like this. There you go. So then we started this show so people could hear, how to pronounce the Ojibwe words. But today is Ojibwe phrase of the day. This is a good one for the kids.
No, it's not.
Nigi washkwebi. Oh, I'm drunk, sweetie.
You are not.
Yep. I got up and I got just drunk. No, I'm just kidding. I don't drink. But Michael did a really, really good cartoon here. This is from
Ojibwe. Niki Washkwabi. I am drunk. He's drunk as a skunk. Niki Washkwabi. I am drunk. And today I would like to discuss the sacred act of getting drunk. No. Do you miss getting drunk?
No.
Really? Was it hard for you to quit drinking?
Well, I say it was not hard. I say it was really easy. But it's kind of like, what's that guy who said quitting smoking's easy? He's done it hundreds of times.
Oh, yeah. I think it was Mark Twain.
Yeah, I'm like Mark Twain. I was like, oh, quitting drinking is easy. I did it hundreds of times. No. But when I finally really quit, then when I just decide, you got to decide. You just got to decide I'm done. And when I decided, then I never looked back.
Yeah, that's kind of how I was too. It took me 30 years or something to quit drinking, but I finally had enough, and I was like, you know what? I don't need to get all squaby anymore. And I just quit. And everything, here's a little something for you artists out there. A lot of artists will talk about a time right after they gave up drinking when they had like a real explosion in creativity or like a leveling up. Kind of like in a video game, you get to the next level.
Yeah.
Artists can get like that too. Michael, was that like... Did that happen to you when you quit drinking? Yeah, actually, when I quit drinking is when I started this show. Yeah, see, there you go. So if you quit drinking and you're an artist or something, there's the creator will kind of give you a little treat, a little blessing. You take one step forward, and the creator's going to meet you halfway, and he'll give you a blessing, like you'll get a big gig or you'll get super creative and start a really good show. I don't know.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You want to take a call?
Oh, sure. I'll take a call. Line 2?
On line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey there, NanaBOOZHOO. It's me, President Zelensky.
Oh, hey. Hey, sweetie, it's that the friend of Greta Thunberg's.
Oh, hi, Mr. Zelensky. What's going on? Hi, Natasha. I just wanted to call in because I wanted to, I kind of want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day.
Don't you got more important things to worry about right now?
What do you mean?
Well, aren't you at war or something?
Oh, yeah. War is really bad on the environment.
Yeah, is that what Greta was teaching you?
Yeah. Me and Greta are dating.
You're dating Greta Thunberg?
Yeah. I mean, she's like a head taller than me, but I love her.
Oh, well, congratulations. What's that you got in your hand there?
Oh, this I got this from Sean Penn. It's an Academy Award. He won this for A Dead Man Walking.
Yeah, that's right. I got an Academy Award. It's a very prestigious honor because of my role in Dead Man Walking.
Oh, hey, Sean Penn.
Hi, NanaBOOZHOO, how you doing? Listen, I gotta tell you something, and I don't know if you're gonna want to hear this, but I'm gonna tell you anyway.
What's that?
I know what you're trying to do here. You're trying to have some laughs, but it's not funny. War is very serious, and the environment is very serious, and vaccinations are very serious.
Yeah, okay.
And you can go out there, you can make little jokes and stuff, but I'm here fighting the fight. I'm doing my part for the war and for the environment. Look, I gave him a statue.
Yeah, that's a nice statue there, Spicoli.
Hey, don't call me that.
I mean, Mr. Penn.
Yeah, okay. Look at my arms.
Yeah, you got a lot of veins in that arm.
yeah, buddy. This is my buddy.
Yeah. Later on, we're going to go on a yacht, have a yacht party with what's her name?
Oh, Greta Thunberg?
Yeah. I want to see what she looks like in a bikini.
Ugh. All right, you guys, I got to go.
No, what's the Ojibwe phrase of the day?
Oh, yeah. Ojibwe phrase of the day is, Nigis. Okay, hang on. Got to get you guys out of here. Niki washkwebi. I am drunk.
Niki washkwebi. I am drunk. I'm going to get drunk, and then I'm going to go out on a date with my girlfriend, Greta Thunberg.
Okay. Listen, you guys, I gotta go. Yeah, it's not funny, man. I know what you're trying to do here, and it's not funny. Yeah, okay. You said that, Sean. Here's a phrase. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Yeah, Gigawabamin. Minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Gigawabamin. Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. Hey, wait.
Well, there you go. A couple of heavy hitters on the world stage. Yep. Good luck with all that. I guess he's dating Greta Thunberg.
I know, that's crazy.
Man, these are the days of fate are strong for what's his face, President Zelensky.
What do you mean?
Well, he went from being a comedy actor to a president to a guy who doesn't know how to dress appropriately when he goes and visits the White House. He's always wearing like janitor clothes.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And now he's falling in love with Greta Thunberg. He met with her just the other day. And I think they went out on his yacht and had champagne.
Really?
No, I'm making that up. All right. You want to get up here?
Well, sure.
All right, you guys, I'm going to turn the camera over to the lovely and talented Natasha. But first, didn't you do a song with the rock star cartoonist?
Yeah, I sure did.
Which one is this?
This is Golden Years.
All right. Golden Years by Natasha and Michael Lyons.
Don't let me hear you say life's taking you nowhere. Angel, come up the baby. Look at that sky, now life's begun. Nights are warm and the days are young. Come up to the baby. Where's my baby? Lost that soul. Once I'm begging you, save her little self. Come up to the baby. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows in these golden years. Last night they loved you, opening doors and pulling some strings. Angel, come up the baby. In walked luck and you looked in time. Never looked back, walk tall, act fine. Come up the baby. Stick with your baby for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold. Wop, wop, wop. Gold. One day soon and it won't be long, gonna drive right down where you once belonged. In the back of a dream car 20 foot long. Don't cry my sweet, don't break my heart. Doing life you've gotta get smart. Wish upon day upon day. I believe, oh Lord, I believe all the way. Run for the shadows, run for the shadows, run for the shadows in these golden years. I'll stick with you, baby, for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold. Wop, wop, wop. Gold.
shadows. Run for the shadows in these golden years. Oh, nah. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha, and this is the end of the show. Gigawaba min minawa. Hoa. Gigawaba min minawa. Hoa. I will see you again. Good night. Sleep tight. La-di-da-dee-dum. Hoka-hey. What do you say? Well, should we call it a show?
You want to take a call first?
Oh, sure. Line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hello, love. It's me, David Bowie, from Beyond the Grave.
Well, hey, Bowie. Sweetie, it's David Bowie.
Oh, hey, bonjour, David Bowie. Oh, hello, NANABOOZHOO. I certainly do enjoy your show. Oh, thanks a lot.
What can we do for you today, David?
Well, I was wondering if I might learn the Ojibwe phrase of the day, as it were.
Oh, sure, you want to learn this? Well, today's Ojibwe phrase of the day is, I am drunk. Let me just move your picture down. Niki washgwaby.
Niki washgwaby. I am drunk.
Yep. So if you get drunk and you want to tell a Ojibwe speaker that, you can say, Niki washgwaby. I am drunk.
Well, I certainly don't imagine I'll ever have cause to speak to a drunk Ojibwe speaker here in heaven.
There aren't a bunch of drunk Indians in heaven?
No. I believe they went to the happy hunting ground, as it were.
Yeah, I love that, the happy hunting. How is heaven these days?
Oh, it's quite lovely. I was having tea with the Queen of England just before I called. Would you like to say hello?
With the Queen of England? Well, sure. Put her on the line.
Elizabeth.
Oh, we'll say then.
Would you like to be on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO program?
Oh, I'll talk to Natasha. Hello, love. It's the Queen of England, it is. Hello, Queen. You can call me the Queen Mum, I am. Well, hello, Queen Mum. What's all this, Dad? Are you teaching the Ojibwe words of the day? Yeah, we taught an Ojibwe phrase of the day. Today we were teaching kids how to say I'm drunk. Now what you want to do that for? Don't be teaching the kids how to say I'm drunk. The children, they shouldn't drink. Unless it's chocolate milk, I suppose. Yeah. Listen, you guys, I gotta go. All right, then. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Queen. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba men, minawa. Oh, gigawaba men, minawa, love.
Yes, Gigawaba men, minawa.
Yeah, gigawaba men, minawa, David. Thanks for calling in. Wow, Queen of England and David Bowie.
You never know who's going to call in.
Nope. All right. You want to add anything?
No, I think that's pretty good.
All right. Michael?
No, just tell him I said thanks. And remind him of Patreon and stuff.
Oh, yeah. If you'd like to support this show, you can always check the links in the description. Michael's got books for sale at Amazon. And we have a Patreon page and a PayPal page and a GoFundMe site. There's lots of ways you can support us. Yeah. You have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. this over here? Oh, the man of my dreams.
Nanaboozhoo! Okay, miigwech.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawa min. Minawa. Hoa. Hey, sweetie, will you teleport me outside?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna step outside.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Nah.